Students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our topic is 8th class Oliver asks more. In this assignment we are going to discuss. Here this Oliver asks more. This lesson is very interesting. Oliver Twist is a boy. He asked more that Gruel. But these board members, they will discuss something with this boy. So this everything is given in the passage. Okay, once you go through the passage, I'll discuss the answers. Okay, so what is the question? Why do you think the basin there never wanted washing? Why it was never wanted washing? Because the hungry boys polished the basins with spoons till it shined. Till they shone again. SHONE, shone again. Now they were very eager to eat the left out food in the basin. So actually here what happened? The hungry boys, what they have done, polished the basins with spoons. Polish means here with spoons they are taking and eating till they shone again. This basin shine again means here nothing was there in that basin. They were very eager to eat the left out food in the basin. Whatever the food it is left over in the basin, they have completely finished that. That is the meaning. Now, next question. Why did the boys get so voracious and wild? Why they became so wild and voracious? Boys usually have excellent appetite. Which here, boys generally they have excellent appetite. Appetite is nothing but hunger. Okay, younger boys generally they have very good appetite. Which here very frequently they will get they will feel hungry. The boys suffered the tortures of slow starvation for 3 months. Now here these boys they suffered the tortures because in this place they were not treated well and they were not given the food properly. So that's why here for 3 months under starvation these boys were. At last they got so voracious and wild with anger. That is the reason the food was not given properly. For 3 months they bore it very silently. After this they cannot, they don't want to bear it. So that's why here at last they got so voracious, they turned against and wild with anger. They became very wild with anger. Means they were showing very angry on these members. Next question is how do you look at Oliver's request? Please sir, I want some more. What compelled him to say this? What the situation made him to say this? Sir, I want more. Okay. Oliver's request was justifiable. Means here it is appropriate only. Because he is a young boy. He feels so hungry and the food which provided for him was not sufficient. Okay, so that's why here it is justifiable. It is okay. The council decided that Oliver should ask for more food. So that people they decided that Oliver should ask more food. Not only that, he was desperate with hunger and reckless with misery. Now here, not only this people decided that he should have to ask more. Not only that, he was desperate with hunger. He was suffered a lot. Means here that hunger, that starvation troubled him a lot. And reckless with misery. So miserable conditions, very pathetic condition was there. So that also very reckless people in this home. His hunger and misery compelled him to say. So that hunger and misery, that starvation and this poverty both had made him to say so. That dialogue. Okay, next one. Why was a council held by boys? Why the boys held a council? A tall young boy could not bear the torture anymore. A tall young boy was there among them. He could not bear the torture against these boys. He warned that he would eat the boy who slept next to him if he did not get another basin of gruel per day. What that tall boy had given the warning, if you don't give me another this bowl of gruel, he had given the warning. What is that? The boy who slept beside of him, he would kill him. So that is a warning he had given to these people. He had a wild, hungry eye. So he was very angry. He was very he seems to be very wild. He all the inmates believed his words and held a council. All the people, they believed his words and they call on a council for this and they were afraid first of all. So that's why here they called for a meeting. Now the fifth question. Do you find children like Oliver around you? How would you help them to live better? So if you face such type of people in your personal life, in your neighborhood, so how would you treat them? Yes, I find children like Oliver around me. So the answer is yes, I find such type of students like Oliver around me. I donate my books and clothes and also share my lunch with them. So these things I will do. I donate my books and clothes and also share my lunch with them. So here once you see my clothes, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, C-L-O-T-H-E-S and C-L-O-T-H, it is different. C-L-O-T-H and C-L-O-T-H-E-S. It is a cloth. Cloth means which was not made into shirt or pant, but this clothes ready to wear. Okay, this is the difference. This is a piece of cloth. This is a ready-made which is ready to wear. Okay. Now I will give my books and clothes and also share my lunch with them. I will share my lunch also with them. I will counsel them to join government school to study and live a decent life. I'll ask them to, first of all, I will counsel them not to do these bad things and how to behave in the society. This everything I will counsel them and I'll ask them to join the government school and also I'll ask them to live a decent life. Okay, so this is about the question and answers. Next bit is write the meanings of the given words. Here the meaning, the words were given and we have to write the meanings, that word and meaning, and next one is editing also given for us, that we will discuss later. So first here meanings of the given words. Surly, surly means here serious or angry, very serious. Gruel, gruel means a thin liquid food of oats, rice, etc. So here this thin liquid food, we know this. Early morning in our houses we will prepare the oats or rice or this ragi malt, this everything, thin food, liquid food, that is called Java in our Telugu. So a thin liquid food of oats, rice, etc. Some cereals, okay, we, prepared, especially prepared with some cereals or this that will be called as gruel. Next, devoured. Devoured means ate hungrily or quickly. So if you are feeling very hungry, how will you eat very quickly? So that is called as devoured. Next, voracious means wanting great quantity of food. Quantity of food means here wanting more and more food. Great quantities means here I only want all these things, we will say, no, like Oliver said. And the next, countenance. A person's facial expressions will be called as a countenance. Next, confinement means you are putting in a prison or a closed room. So that is called as a confinement. Is it clear? Now editing is given for us. What is this? Nobody contradicted the prophetic gentleman's opinion. An excited discussion about it took place. So here an excitement discussion, here about is given. Okay. So here discussion is nothing but about something we will discuss. That is only discussion. So you are discussing means here about something you will discuss. But here again about is given. So that is excess word. So we have removed this. So this is not required to write. So an excited discussion took place. Means here some excitement discussion is going to take place in that place. That is the meaning. Next, Oliver was ordered into instant confinement, but a bill was next morning pasted in the outside of the gate. So now here Oliver was ordered into instant confinement, which here he was ordered to be in a closed room. Here but is given in our question. Here and but is not suitable, and a bill was next morning pasted and so, that is etc, etc, everything is the same. So here why we have to write in the place of but and is placed, because and is and but both are conjunctions only. But here according to the situation, Oliver was ordered into instant confinement, but a bill was next morning. Means here if it is done, if he was confined, why this but? But means here it is option. So option is but bill was next morning pasted on the wall. So it is not at all appropriate to look at. So that's why here means here along with this verb this work also was done. So that's why here we are using the conjunction, and we said both actions were done. So here but says that either one action. So that's why here but can be used for negative. So we won't use the negative here. So that's why here we are using and with combining. So that's why here and is suitable in this editing. So already we have our teachers will discuss with you in the classes the rules and the regulations, the parameters for editing passages. So in that some missing words and some excess words, some wrongly spelled words will not be considered. Wrong statements are, that is simply word order. Okay, so like this so many things are there in editing passages. Okay, thank you.